proud to be from Manila. And for me, aside from the beautiful destinations we have there, I like to promote and focus on people because our people are strong, yet at the same time, we're always there for each other. And I like to promote people because I don't think any destination, no matter how beautiful, would still be beautiful without the people. I don't think that you would want to visit a place where it's lonely. And for me, Pampanga is a home for everybody. That's why I can promote it to the world by telling them that Pampanga is the home of the heart. Thank you.
Thank you so much. By the way, Yuki Skincare gift packs will be given after the press con. Okay, let's hear it now from the president of Pampanga Press Club, Mr. Eric Jimenez.
Ladies, pwede niya sa ito ng Angeles, ng Florida, Mexico, and Santa Rita. And if you were, bumoto na ba kayo? If you were, di ba, 2016 sa election, what do you think will be the next president of the country? Angeles, Florida, Papalacan, and Santa Rita.
For me, as of this moment, I'm still weighing their potentials. So I'm in the process of researching who is who, like who deserves the presidency seat. Because you know this is not an easy choice because it is for the sake of the country. That's why you have to really think and do your research, do your work for you to weigh their qualities and for you to get the best candidate that deserves the position. That's all.
Butiani, Florida.
If I must choose, I will choose the one who will be who can give us the discipline that we all need. Who can be without any the one who can give us the discipline that we need. The one who can give us all that we need as the people of him. And I think it might be the third that even though he is so strict, I believe he can give the discipline and the needs of the people of the
Let's have a Butiani Santa Rita.
Please raise your hand para hindi nahirapan si Kia.
I am rooting for Miriam Defensor Santiago because of her achievements, being a judge in international justice hall, and also because she's a fighter. She had fought her cancer, and now she's running for presidency to help our country become better. That's all.
Thank you, Miss Mabalatsi. There you go.
Well, I'm also weighing my choices because all of them have their own positive and negative attributes. But what am I looking for a president? It's someone who would have the heart to serve the people, to have the integrity, to face the world, and be the representative of the country to the world. And I want that individual to be selfless, to serve not just the Filipino people or not just his community, but the whole nation and the world, so that the human race could go for so long and we will all have a good life.
All right, thank you so much. Now